Hi, this is Joette with BalloonCoach.com, and today I wanted to give you a couple of updates about things that are going on right now with BalloonCoach.com and answers to a lot of questions I've had over the last couple of weeks. The number one thing with BalloonCoach.com is I want you to know that there are a ton of resources here on my website ready for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, one of which is my blog. Simply click on it and see all of our most recent information. You will see testimonies from different people in the balloon industry who've had success with their business and share their stories with you. And then I am sharing my tips and tricks to marketing your business, to helping you figure out what training is best for you, to sharing you details of how to make more sales through the experience that I've had in the balloon industry full-time since 2003. While you're on BalloonCoach.com, you can check out our in-person and online trainings. When you click on Live Tour, I encourage you to look at that this week because next week on Thursday, May 2nd, I'm having my added value bonus webinar for all people who've gone ahead and early bird purchased their tickets for this summer's live tour. If you've not heard, I am starting a teaching tour around the United States on Sunday, June 2nd in Atlanta. So if you check out this map and see a star near you, or want to do a little bit of travel this summer to spend a full day with us to get energized about your business, focus in on creating profitable decor and working on our sales conversations and how to take care of price objections and be prepared for them, go ahead and sign up now, and like I said, you can have a seat in our live webinar on Thursday, May 2nd as a bonus. I will be giving you a script to use to handle price objections. We will talk about pricing for profit, and it'll be a live Q&A time for you to ask questions that you want me to answer now and throughout tour to help you increase your sales even before coming to our class. So you'll get a full day of learning, plus lunch will be provided for just $150 per person, thanks to all the wonderful sponsors who are providing product for us to use and locations for us to have the course. So June 2nd, Atlanta. June 5th, thank you, Heiko, for hosting us in St. Louis. On Sunday, June 9th, American Balloon Factory is our host in Kansas. On Thursday, June 13th, I will be in Denver, Colorado. Thank you to Brody's Wholesales for sponsoring that stop. On Monday, June 24th, I'll be in Seattle, Washington. Thank you, MSR Wholesale Balloons, for sponsoring my Seattle stop. Sunday, June 30th, I'm excited to be in LA at LA Balloons. And then on Thursday, July 11th, we will be in Dallas, Texas. And thank you, David and Amanda Mahoney, for serving as our host for lunch. It's just a few miles away from the hotel. We're going to go and do a tour of balloons every day and see how David has things set up as his workshop and enjoy our lunch there. Wednesday, July 17th, I'll be in New Orleans. Thank you, Danielle, for hosting us there. Then our final stop will be in Pensacola, Florida on Friday, July 19th. So over the summer, I am going to be driving over 7,000 miles with my husband, over 50 days to bring education to you. So how far are you willing to travel to come hang out with us for the day? You pick the stop that's best for you. And when you get your ticket now on May 2nd, you can join us for that free webinar and be a part of that Q&A time. The other added value that I want to let you know about is our Orlando hands-on retreat. It's called Promotions and Profits, and it is happening November 11th through 15th. What's super exciting as at the date that I'm recording this video, we are getting close to being sold out. There are only 12 seats left. This is a class for 85 people and 12 amazing instructors. Check out all the details at Promotions and Profits Retreat. The reason I'm talking to you about this today is I want you to understand that our bonus for early bird registration is that you will be able to be a part of our online class on Sunday, May 5th. You can see who all of our instructors are, and what we're going to do on May 5th is a review of your sales so far for 2019. How are you doing? Are you on track with your goals? Do you have written goals sitting down? And if not, we're going to help you do that. We will have a download for you to do a one-page business plan to help you put your ideas on paper if you've not done that yet. This was something requested by several of our people who've already signed up for Promotions and Profits. We will also cover your marketing strategy for the end of 2019 to help you be proactive in mapping things out that you can do now to bring your sales increase for the future. Typically with marketing, what you do today is going to pay off 3 months, 6 months, a year, 5 years down the road. So we've got to plan now to have more money later. The other part that we are going to do as the people who are coming to Promotions and Profits Retreat as our bonus on May 5th is that we are going to focus on our vision boards at the very end. I have found people who've been to my other hands-on trainings and put their dreams and goals on paper, had it in front of them, reaching their goals. Cody Williams of Cody's Red Balloons in Texas is an example of this. Back in 2016 at our Promotions and Profits event in Chicago, he created a vision board under the guidance of Diana Gladden. And some of the things he put down is that he wanted to go into his business full time, he wanted to have a van, and he wanted to buy a home. And all three of those things have come true because he has been focused on his goals and putting in place the things that he's learned through the Balloon Coach programs. So that is what Balloon Coach is all about, giving you a format of things that you can take action on in your business to make progress daily. It's not about perfection, but about making progress. And if you would like to have some time with me one-on-one this summer in class or at our retreat with 12 amazing instructors, I wanted you to know about these deadlines that are coming up now to get you in our special bonus classes. So for those of you coming on tour this summer, you will get to have that bonus class on May 2nd. For those of you going to Promotions and Profits Retreat, that bonus class is May 5th. So go on to ballooncoach.com today and check out the training that's best for you so that you can be a part of our early bird bonus. If you have any questions about our services, email Joette, Joette, at ballooncoach.com. or send me a private message on Facebook. I always love hanging out with people. And be a part of our online support at Balloon Coach Community. If you're needing other online support and training because you can't get to the physical classes or that you just want an extra boost throughout the time, then check out our Balloon Boss Mastermind program. Again, I'm Joette with ballooncoach.com. I enjoy helping you create a thriving balloon business. Wishing you a blessed day.